So today we're having a look at these. These are the Gaahleri water-based acrylic ink metallic colour markers. You get 10 in the set. Little example there, the colours on this side, and we're also going to be looking at the eraser markers as well, seeing how those work. So we'll open this. And it's actually got some instructions here. See, please follow these steps. Cap it tightly after use to prevent the tip from drying out. So cover the cap and shake the pen. Press the nib to let out air first time only. Then press the nib down continuously until the ink oozes out, and do not squeeze the tip of the marker pen during writing. So let's see what we've got here. Quite a range. We have got zirconium black, gunmetal, aluminium, scorched gold, red copper, flashy gold. You can see all of the got a little mark up there as well. Dark iron, dark gold, dark steel, and stainless steel. And the sets of eraser markers, you get 2 in the pack, and they look like this, so very similar, but obviously not going to be confused for those. Use the code building010 at checkout at gaahleri.com to receive 10% off your next order, including things like these metallic colours and their airbrush range. Thanks very much. So I'm using this purple paper just to demonstrate it. Let's see what this looks like. So if we start with the aluminium, which is pen 01. I'm not very good at doing this. And then I guess you get to push it down until the ink starts to flow. There you are. That's nice. Let's look at see what all of them are like. Did it in the wrong order. You can see there quite a distinct. Obviously I've got the red copper in the wrong order because I opened the pens incorrectly, but yeah, these are really nice. And let's see how they work on styrene. So this is a leftover sprue from an Airfix DB5. This is an old version. I didn't use these parts. I think there was something missing, so I had to order these separately. But anyway, they were spare. Let's see what it's like. I'm using stainless steel here. So let's see what kind of finish this gives us on the bumper. Obviously there's no priming on this. This is just onto the bare styrene. That's pretty nice. Let's compare that then. Aluminium. Yeah, that's nice and reflective, nice and shiny. And not that I would do a gold bumper, but I know some cars do have them. Let's do the last bit of this in this flashy gold. Look at that. That's great, isn't it? Now with the erasers, now I've tested these. I don't think they work on paper, but open them up, start using them exactly the same way as you would with the main pens. You can see I'm starting to erase that, dab at it with a cotton bud. You can see there we are, I've cleaned it up. So yeah, I don't think these work on paper, but they definitely work on these styrene parts. So if you do get any in places that you don't mean to, that comes off quite easily. You can see if I use it on this, that's not moving. These overriders here. You've got pointed nibs, so you can be quite accurate with it. I'm actually not being that careful here, and I'm still managing to only get it where I want it to be. So yeah, these are the Gaahleri Metallic markers. Get set 10 in each set. These are great. I'll definitely be using these on some of my upcoming builds. Let me know what you think. Remember, you can get 10% off these by heading to the website in the link below and using the code building010. Every time you use it, it benefits me and the channel. Thanks very much. I'll see you soon.